How to calculate standard deviation for continuous series. Standard deviation for continuous series is given by the formula sigma is equal to root of sigma f into x minus x bar the whole square divided by sigma f, where sigma f is in some textbooks it is given as n, capital N. F is the frequency, x is the individual items, and x bar is the mean of the items. Let us calculate the standard deviation of the following problem. Class interval and frequencies are given. The class interval 0 to 10, 12, 10 to 20, 11, 20 to 30, 15, 30 to 40, 16, 40 to 50, 14. See, so calculating standard deviation, we need f, we need x, we need fx, we need x minus x bar the whole square, and f into x minus x bar the whole square. We have calculated f. Sigma f is 68. 68 we got by adding these numbers in the second column f, and the x sigma fx. So in the third column we have calculated fx. Fx is calculating by multiplying f and x. See, in the first 1, 2, 3, fourth column you see the 60 we got it by multiplying 12 into 5. So 12 into 5 is 60. Similarly 11 into 15 is equal to 165, and all those values we have found out, and sigma fx we got it as 1790. Similarly, the mean for this data set we got it as x bar is equal to 26.32. Now we have to calculate x minus x bar, because we need x minus x bar the whole square. So while calculating, see here it is 5 minus 26.32, we got minus 21.32. Similarly we have found out for the next column also it is 15 minus 26.32, 11.32. For all we have found out, and next we have squared. In the next column we have squared it up. For a square of 21.32 is 54.54, and 11.32 is 128.14. Similarly we have calculated for all, and the next what we need is sigma of f into x minus x bar the whole square. Here we have found out f into x minus x bar the whole square. See the first row 21.32, not 21.32, for 54.54 into f, that is 12. So when multiplying these two elements you will get 5454.50, and in the next row you see 128.14 into 11, you got it as 1409.54. Similarly we have calculated for all the values, and we have taken the summation of sigma f into x minus x bar the whole square. That will come around 1,29,080.74. So we are going to substitute all these values in the formula given, f into x minus x bar the whole square divided by sigma f. So here sigma f into x minus x bar the whole square is 1,29,080.74, and sigma f is 68. So we have substituted and we got it as 190.89. So the root of 190.89 is 13.82. So the standard deviation for this continuous series is 13.82. So in the last class also we have discussed variance is the square of standard deviation. So variance of this problem is 190.89 and the standard deviation is 13.82. Hope that the calculation of standard deviation for continuous series is clear to you. Please subscribe the channel, and you see the description box for the other problems. The links of other problems are given in the description box. You can find it out. Thank you.